Hello everyone, welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep and I am Vipin Kumar. Now in this particular session, we will be discussing a most concerned doubt that students have. In my classes, when I interact with students, a lot of students come to me and ask, Sir, can you provide us notes? Can I buy notes? How can I get notes? So this is a very common question a lot of students ask to me. And I tell, of course I can provide my notes, of course you can buy notes, of course you can go online and download. Now the online content is so much, whatever you want you will get, any book, any notes, whatever you want you can get on internet. But then my second argument is, guys, you have to make your own notes. Nothing can be compared with what you have written with your own hand, because that you have written with your own mindset, with your own understanding. If someone has written something or I have written something, I have written according to my understanding. So something which could be very easy for me and I will not write in my notes, it could be very difficult for you and you want to write in your notes. So what I want to tell you is, everyone's notes preparation strategy is different. So you need to decide what is your mindset, what is your understanding of the topic, according to that you have to make the notes. It's a very crucial aspect of your GATE preparation, very crucial aspect. And a lot of people ignore it. They do not make proper notes, they do not make short notes. And then they suffer during the end time when exam is about to come and they have to revise the entire syllabus. So in this particular session, we will be focusing on this part of your GATE journey. Now before we go ahead, few announcements. So guys, as you know, these sessions are on YouTube, but YouTube is a restricted platform, okay? We do not take many sessions here. We cannot do many activities here, but in app, there is a bundle of activities that is there for you. You can have quizzes, you can have polls, you can have seminars, you can have scholarship tests, workshops, free app classes, so many things continuously going on simultaneously. And we have to tell you separately that these things are going on. But if you are already on the BYJU'S Exam Prep app, you will get all the information without any delay. So what can you do? You can download the app by scanning this QR code, or you can just type this link. Just type this link. It will direct you to the app download section. Okay. And guys, trust me, so many things even I keep doing on the app. Now you see, these are my sessions of the last week, which I just took on 21st till like yesterday. And these sessions are for the next week. So I am trying to cover each and every subject in free app class. So right now I am covering heat transfer, then I will go for power plant, I will go for other subjects, thermodynamics. So what I want to tell you is, guys, do not miss this opportunity. If you want to revise what you have done, if you want to practice questions, join the app and join these classes with me. Now, if you are in the very early stage of your preparation and you do not have any idea what you are doing and what you should do, and you want BYJU'S Exam Prep experts to guide you from the scratch, then what you can do, again, you can call this number and ask for details. You do not need to ask for details if you have app. So what you can do, you can directly download the app. All the information is there. When our new batch is starting, what subject is going on in particular batch. So what you can do, either you can download the app, that anyway you need to do if you don't want to do free app classes, okay, or other activities. But you can call the BYJU'S Exam Prep counselor to ask for Vision, GATE and ESE 2024 and a very structured course we have designed for you, very structured course. What do you mean by structured, sir? So you will have daily live classes, daily, more than 4 hours. 4 hours is minimum, sometimes more, because now time is not there, okay? And then you will have access to recorded lectures. In case you are not able to attend it live, you can see it recorded. You will get study material, workbooks, books, okay? Practice quizzes, daily practice quizzes and mock test. Mock test is so important, guys. Tomorrow I am coming up with a session on the importance of mock test at 5 p.m. So do not forget to join that. So what I want to tell you is, join the app. Simple thing. Okay. Chalo. Also guys, this is the community that we are building for you. These are Telegram groups. So these are common mechanical group. Now here we have 4,000 members, more than 4,000. They are just like you. Same target, same exam, same goal, same motivation, same preparation. So you need to be part of this community. You need to be part of this group so that you know that you are going in the right direction. And we are there to guide you. Your colleagues, your friends are there to support you. Okay, so you can download this. You can join this Telegram group. If you want to connect with me directly, then you can join Mechanical by Vipin Yadav. I am there in this group and I am handling this group. Now more than 1,000 members are there. Daily members are getting added. Why? Because they are finding value in the group. Okay, so join these groups. Either you can scan the QR code as well to join the group. Okay, chalo. And guys, as I said, so many things are going on the app. So as you can see that we have workshop of last 120 days preparation strategy for GATE 2024 on 27th of September by Richa Gupta ma'am at 7:30 p.m. Do not forget to join this. Do not forget to join this. And then we have scholarship test tomorrow. Scholarship test we have tomorrow. If you want to join Vision batch and you have money problems, it's fine. Money should not stop you to prepare. You can get up to 90% of scholarship by going for this test. So do not forget, do not miss this test. Okay, chalo. I'll give you a brief introduction about me and then we will start our session. So as you, I think you already know me, but I have 6+ years of teaching experience. I have done my MTech from IIT Kharagpur. I have done my MSc from Politecnico di Milano, and I have 3.5 years of industry and research experience, and my area of expertise is basic and applied thermodynamics and heat transfer. चलो चलो तो guys start करते हैं session. Let's start the session. Let's start the session. Let's start the session. करें चलो. So now this year IISc is conducting GATE 2024 and I think 4 months are left, almost 4 months are left. If you are not preparing notes, a very structured notes at this point of time, then you will be in a huge trouble when you go to Jan. When you want to revise your subjects quickly, rapid revision you want, you will not have access to that information. You will not access to that content. If you have taken somebody else's notes, they have written with their own mindset, you think that you will know that you are missing so many things. When you have revised your syllabus by someone else's notes, then what you will find out, then when you are going to do questions, you are not able to understand so many concepts. Why? Because that notes has made by someone else. They have made that according to their understanding of the topic. Some topics they find difficult, they may have added extra information. Some topic they find it easy, they will add very little information. But their easy topic can be difficult for you. So you want to add more information. So that's why I am trying to tell you that somebody else's notes is not going to work for you. Somebody else's notes is not going to work for you. You need to make your own notes. It is not time waste, it is time investment. Because the time that you are giving now, this time will be very crucial, very important for you in Jan. So if you give this time now, you can reduce your time in January before the exam for your revision. So you require a proper notes for quick revision, Also, when you learn something, when I teach something, you may not be understand everything. You may not be able to understand everything, or even if you understood everything, you are not able to connect the dots. You are not able to make a story out of the topic. While making notes, always try to flow the information. Always try to make the story of the information, and then you revise like a story. And see, you will never forget. You will never forget. So there should be, first of all, it should be made from your own mindset. Second, try to make a story out of it, and it is going to help you for your rapid revision in the basically 1 month before the exam, 1 month from the exam. So it is going to improve your retention. When you write it, it will improve your retention. So it will reduce your time that you need to give later on. Abhi you are giving time, yes, but later on it will reduce that time. Okay. So let's try to talk about how to make these notes, what are the benefits, and what should be the strategy. Okay, chalo. So first thing is, what is the significance? What is the significance of effective notes making? Why do you need notes? Why do you need notes? So there are many reasons. I have just added very few. And the first thing is that it will help you. It is a comprehensive information. It is a comprehensive. You have learned something in a very big way. I took 2 hours of class. But when you summarize that, you should be able to revise that in maximum 15-20 minutes. That's all. The content, revision content of that class is not more than 15-20 minutes of 2 hours class. You need to write that information in a very comprehensive way. In a very comprehensive way. And when you write that with your own hand, you will get so concept clarity. Each and every point. You may have missed one point when I said, but once you start writing it, you will not miss that point. So you will get comprehensive notes and concept clarity. And the second point is that you, as I said, when you are writing that, each and every point is crossing your mind. Each and every point is crossing your mind. So you will be able to retain that information. You will be able to retain that information. And then, as I said, that your revision time will reduce drastically. Not even reduce, it will reduce drastically. That means whatever you have learned, the time, for example, you are taking now, for example, if you are taking 1 hour to study a topic right now, by making proper notes, you will be able to revise that in 10 minutes while you do revision in your 1 month before the exam. So time efficiency will increase drastically. Time taken to revise the topic will reduce drastically. Okay. And also you need to add references in the notes, that if you want to refer back, you can directly refer back either from your notes or from the book. So book number, page number also you can add there. So time efficiency will be drastically increased. And then once you have notes, so you have filtered out information. You cannot revise my lectures again. You cannot go to books again. You need focused study. 1 month before the exam, when you have to revise daily one subject, take 1 mock test. PYQs you need to do, paper wise. Whole structure, revision structure I have given you in my last session. So try to search revision strategy for GATE 2024. 4 months revision strategy. Best revision strategy, guys. You do not have to think anything. Just follow that. I promise that you will be amazed by seeing the revision results and by seeing the concept clarity that you will get, the time management you will get. Just 1 week ago I have taken that session. Okay. So now when at the end you need very filtered content, very filtered information. You will not go back to books. So that targeted information you will get once you have made short notes, once you have made proper notes and short notes. Okay. Then what kind of notes you can make? What kind of notes? So there are 2 ways. Now a lot of people do not have access to digital like the tabs, but still, like, there are many people that have the access to that. So you can make digital notes as well. There are pen tabs, you can write directly there. You can save it, or you can write Word file notes, or the second is manual. So both have their advantages, both have their disadvantages. Now what are the advantages of manual? So you see, you are writing something with your own hand. Maybe when you are making digital notes, you will directly copy paste from somewhere. Here you are making diagrams by your own hand. There maybe you will just directly take the diagram from somewhere and paste it there. So when you are writing something, it will help you increase retention for a very longer period. When you are drawing something, when you are sketching something, then every point you will be focusing on when you are drawing that diagram. Every point, nothing you can miss. When you are drawing with your own hand, everything, you cannot miss something. And also the other advantage is that it will prevent electronic distraction. When you go on laptop or anything, then so many tabs are open. Some you have opened Gmail, open YouTube, open some Instagram, Facebook, whatever you use, I don't know. But every now and then you will switch the tab and go there. You will not have a proper focus. So these are some advantages of manual notes that you need to make. Now, what about disadvantages? So first of all, you cannot just directly search something. Okay, if you are on the electronic media, then you can directly maybe, add a hyperlink so that you can go directly to a source. Okay, so it basically, you have a, you are not directly connected with the references. You are not directly connected to the references. Also, physical notes will be in form of hard copy, right? So sometimes you can miss them. You can lose them basically. Or sometimes what happens, you are traveling somewhere, you have lost, or sometimes it is fallen down somewhere. So it can be damaged. Sometimes basically what is happening, if it is gone, it is gone. You cannot do anything about it. You cannot do anything about it. And also you need to carry it everywhere. You need to carry that big book everywhere, big notebook. These disadvantages can be rectified using electronic or digital notes making. So as I said, you can access that information anywhere. For example, I am making notes here. I can go to my college and I can just send it to the cloud, or save it in my drive, and I can access anywhere. I do not need to carry everything with me. I do not need storage space. It will not be lost. Maybe it will be deleted from somewhere, but I have saved it somewhere else as well. I have taken a backup as well. So the chances of losing it is very less. Also, you can make proper tabs. For example, chapter wise, subject wise tabs you can make. You can properly. Sometimes what happens when you are doing classes, you may be dividing your notebook into two parts. And what happens is, for example, in the later end mein, you are doing a different subject. Here you are doing the same different subject. Now sometimes what happens by mistake, what you have done is that you are trying to make notes of a particular subject, the first one, but you go back in the end and write it. Some question sometimes you want to solve in the first one, you solve it in the second one, in the last pages. And then by this way, it is just messed up. But your digital notes are editable. You can copy paste wherever you want it. Also, you can have proper folders. This is my this subject notes. This is my this subject notes. This is previous year questions and notes. Okay, this is my feedback from mock test. Everything it can be arranged properly. But the thing is that electronic distraction is very significant. If you do not have control over your emotions, you will again and again go to some Facebook, some Instagram, I don't know, whatever you use, and you just keep distracted. You will lose hours of time going there. Okay, and if you are not getting it copy paste from somewhere, then you have to type it, and typing is very difficult. Drawing diagrams is very difficult. So in case you are not directly copy pasting, then typing will be very tiring. It is going to take time. And one of the minor disadvantages, because now everyone has power access. So if you do not have power, for example, power backup is not there, or power is gone for a longer period, then you are dependent on your charging. It needs to be charged, it needs to be plugged in. You do not have a notebook, you just open and start revising. Okay, so this is a disadvantage. So based upon what suits you, you should I would prefer digital notes. My every information is digital. Because I need to take classes, I need to do so many things. So all the information is digital for me. I have saved it everywhere, everything. Okay? Chalo. Now what should be the strategy? What should be the strategy? The first one is, before blindly start writing, for example, I am teaching, I have seen students, I am teaching and they start writing notes. No guys, no. First understand the topic. First have the concept clarity. First have the concept clarity. Then only you will be able to filter out information that you need to write. So have a concept clarity and then start making notes. And the second point is, as I said, do not ask me. I mean, if you want, I can send. You can also buy it from market. You can also download it online. But as long as, if you are not using your own words, own mindset, then it is not going to work for you. Seriously, I am telling you, you can buy notes, you can do whatever you want, but those notes are not going to work for you. Even if you have downloaded it from online, you can take help, but still prepare your own notes or edit those notes based upon your understanding. Every topic you add something, or if it is okay for you, then delete also whatever you want. So edit the notes. If you are downloading it from the internet, edit those, make proper comments. Okay, so use your own words, and then always highlight key points. If I have this equation, in what condition I can use this? If some question has been asking so many times, mark that important. Mark that topic important. Mark a particular statement important. It's very important when you revise those things. It will help you so much while revision. Because now you know what areas you need to focus on. Okay, so highlight key points. And what you can do is, because you are making your own notes, that's what actually happens if you are following someone else's notes. So they may have used certain notations, but when I taught you, I taught certain other notations. Now you are confused. Sir, what is alpha, what is beta? He is using theta phi, I am using alpha beta. So what is alpha? I am using L, he is using H or X, or I don't know, whatever. So notations and symbols should be consistent with your understanding. How you have learned that topic, use your symbols and notations based according to that. You can use short form as well to save time. Okay. Then always use diagram and chart. Whenever I have told you to prepare notes, I have told you, use diagram and charts, because this will give you so much clear picture of the concept. In fact, when I used to make notes, even the theoretical parts that doesn't need a diagram, I used to make in the form of diagram, in a flow chart. And then at a certain point of time, I could just close my eyes and revise that complete flow chart. So that level of understanding you need to give, you need to have. Okay, so draw diagrams, flow charts, PBTS diagrams, whatever diagram, process diagram you can draw, structure component diagram you can draw, whatever is required, you need to draw. Because you see, when you see a picture, the information is stored in your mind for a longer period. When you see a text, the information is stored in your mind is not for a longer period. Okay. Also, as I said, use bullets, points and structuring. Okay. So how the things are happening? You cannot write second law before first law. You need to write zeroth law, first law, second law, third law, like this. So follow the hierarchy. Not that you have written you have done the notes of 5th chapter in the beginning and then first, second, third, fourth you are doing. So some exceptions are there, but mostly it does not work. Okay. Also, summarize, and summarization is what? Summarization is short notes. So prepare how to prepare short notes, how many updates you need, everything I have covered in the revision strategy topic. So go and check this revision strategy for GATE 2024. Just 1 or 2 weeks back I took that session. Okay. And again, as I said, once you have written something, do not just leave it. Whenever you are doing a mock test, whenever you are practicing questions, whatever difficulty you are finding, go back to your notes and mark it. This concept I was missing earlier. Now this is some new thing that I can write in a particular topic. And update, keep updating your short notes. Keep updating your short notes as well as the normal notes. So this is going to help you make the best notes that will help you for your quick revision in the 1 month before the exam. Okay. Now, how you can leverage that information, how you can use that information, how you can extract that information that you have put into that notes. How can you use that for your revision? So it will help you for a quick recap. Concise, personalized notes provide rapid access. So much familiarity you will have. You see, you have made those notes yourself. So you will, as I said, you will be able to close your eyes and see the complete notes in front of your eyes. And when you will be able to do this, your confidence level will be like this. So your familiarity should be, if someone else notes you are following, you will not have that confidence, you will not have that familiarity. Okay, then it will help you identify your weaknesses. It will help you because once you make proper notes, every topic is structured. Okay, you have a flow of things, and then whenever you are facing a difficulty, you will know, okay, it is from that topic. You can analyze that, you can go back and revise, you can work on that and update your notes. And as I said, during revision time, you need maximum retention because that time you will be talking about 10 subjects, you will be revising 10 subjects. So making these short notes will increase your retention for a particular topic, particular subject. If you have a scattered notes or information, then it is not going to help you. You will start revising different subject, you will forget about the last subject. No, not helpful. So it will help you retention, your mind retention of a particular subject or a topic. Okay, so I hope that you understood that what you should do to make a proper notes, how you should prepare those notes, how they can help you, and what are the benefits that you can reap out of that short notes or proper notes. So guys, quick announcement, as I think you all already know that we bring up with some fantastic sessions on Sunday and Saturday. So Sunday is mostly experimental related explanation, and Saturday is we talk about some famous personalities in the area of science. So I hope that you are enjoying this session. If you have not checked out these sessions yet, go to the YouTube channel and check our channel. There's a complete new playlist, Super Saturday and Sunday ka Funda. So many good things, so many fantastic things you can see. Okay, so guys, I hope that you enjoyed this session. Leave the comments if you find these helpful. Okay, if you find the session helpful, like the session and leave your comments key. And if you want any other topic, if you are facing, because this is an issue that so many students keep asking me, so that's why I thought I'll make a session out of it. Okay, so if you have any other doubt, if you have any other issues that you are facing, you can comment it and I can make a particular video on that topic. Whatever issue you are facing, I will make a video. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session. I'll see you in my next session. Okay, tada, bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.